Hello, fourth graders. This is Mrs. Nelson. I'm giving you your directions for the worksheet that you will be working on. So, below, you are going to see a worksheet. Let me flash it up here for you. You will see this worksheet right here on your Edgelastic assignment, and we're going to do this word here so you know exactly what you'll need to do. So, what will happen here is you're going to have this word, or words, and you are going to have to use the draw function in Edgelastic to mark up this word. Okay, so you'll have to use the pen option, the drawing option. You also have used it in math. Okay, so to do this, what you're going to have to go in and do is you're going to have to identify the vowels. So here's a vowel, and this vowel here is actually an E, so we're going to cross it off for right now. Okay, now then, once you've identified your vowels, you already know that this is going to be a two-syllable word. Okay, you already know that. Two-syllable. Now, where does each syllable begin and end is your question. So let's figure that out. To do that, to figure out where do I break the word, I go back in and I start marking the consonants. So I have a consonant, 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 consonant. Okay? Now, when you have a V, C, C, V pattern, and you notice that right here, you'll notice the V, C, C, V pattern right there. You instantly can identify, hey, I can break this word in between the two consonants. Okay? So you can say, oh, I'm going to break this word right here. Okay? Now that you've broken it there, you need to mark, and every mark that I'm making on this word also needs to show up on every word that you're going to do over here. So these words right here, right in here, like gum, combine, gum tile, exheave, mistake, ignite, uptone, those words, you need to mark those up. And they need to look just like the words that I'm doing right here. Okay? You need to make every single mark. Okay, so let's continue. We have the C, V, C, C, V, C. We have that. We've marked off our silent E because we're ignoring it for right now. Now we're going to go back in and we're going to look at that silent E. So we're going to come back in here and we're going to say, okay, so the E needs to work with this I. And that's going to make this long I. Okay? And this O is going to grab this C. And this V is going to grab this C. Because remember, the vowels grab the consonants, trigraphs, and digraphs behind them. Okay? So this C can be broken. That's what you know for sure, that V, C, so that C right here, this C, when I grab it behind it, you know that that's where you can break it. So we have two consonants, two syllables, combine. Now, is this going to be a long O or a short O? If we look at this O, we see that it is closed in. It is not open. So this is going to be closed. So you need to give this little U is called a macron. Okay? Excuse me, not a macron. I got that. This one's a breve. This is called a breve. A breve. This is and then the long is a macron. So this I gets a macron, and this O gets a breve. So you know that we have the word combine, and we break it. So you're going to write the word C-O-M-B-I-N-E, combine. Okay? Questions, concerns, please see a teacher.